Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your One UI and firmware so options match what I describe. Once confirmed, open Settings, tap Lock Screen, then Always on Display. Make sure the AOD toggle is on. Without that, you can't change brightness. If you don't see AOD, enable it from the main lock screen menu or check Device Care for power modes. Now that AOD is active, you're ready to access brightness controls and choose the display style you want to tweak. Next, locate the brightness slider inside the AOD menu and drag to the desired level. This sets the baseline luminance for the always-on pixels. If you prefer automatic adjustments, toggle auto brightness so the phone adapts to ambient light and conserves battery. You can also set a schedule or night mode to turn AOD off during set hours, which reduces burn-in risk. Make sure to test in different lighting to confirm visibility without wasting power. To finalize, review battery settings. Battery saver or extreme power mode may override your AOD brightness, so disable them if needed. Once done, exit and inspect the lock screen to confirm the new brightness. If you don't see changes, restart the phone to apply system-level adjustments. If problems persist, reset AOD settings or clear settings cache. That often resolves stuck toggles. One key troubleshooting tip: if brightness still won't change, check for firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.